In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a virtual green screen in OBS on macOS with no plugins. I'm going to assume you already have OBS, but other than that, the only thing you're going to need to download is an image. Let me show you which image. So in your browser, you're just going to look up green. That's all. And we're just going to go to green. We're just going to go to images and we'll download, maybe we'll go green screen and we will download some green image. So now that I have this green image downloaded, well, I'm just going to leave it in downloads for the sake of this video. So now you can see my OBS, and for the purposes of this video, I'll use studio mode so you can actually see what I'm showing you. And I'm just going to create a new scene. I'll just name it example 2 since I already have example 1. And I'm going to add my video card, which is just the inbuilt camera of my laptop. You can see my background, it all works. And now I will add something, let's just say my full screen over the top, but I need to resize because screen's a bit weird. You'd probably find that too if you're on a Mac. The screen size is a bit weird. But now you can't see it, so I put that over the top, but now you can't see the content. So we need a green screen. Now, let's go back to that green image down here in the downloads. So what you're going to need to do is go up to this camera thing. This, by the way, this only works if you can change this stuff. So let's go here. I've already got it set up, but basically let's go to here. I've already got this set up, so that's why that's there. Let's go choose, and it brings this up. We'll go to here, press choose, and we've got our green background. Choose that, and you just go back in here to actually turn it on. But now we've got a green screen, we can work with that. Now, to get it to actually disappear, you're going to want to go to your inbuilt cam, go to, sorry, not that, right click and go to filters. Now we have audio video filters, effects filters. We want an effect filters. Now we want to apply chroma key. We'll just call it green screen. And if we choose green, we tend to just leave all this stuff pretty well alone. Just put it to green and just leave all the other fancy settings. And if you look at that, background is gone. You can show whichever. If I go to that, I can show YouTube, Safari, whatever. And if I actually press transition, you can see that. Yep, see, got all that. You can see the background, YouTube. If you move pretty fast, it'll struggle to keep up, but it should be fine for most things. If you want to be filmed, you're not going to be using a green screen anyway. Probably. But anyway, that's how you can get a virtual green screen on macOS without any plugins, any additional software, hardware, anything like that. You just, in OBS, use a chroma filter, you just use the built-in camera background function, and you just put it as green, and that's pretty much it.